The application in dairy was an accidental discovery. My dad's research and my dad's passion is really about rapid diagnostics of human health issues. But my dad, not wanting to sort of waste blood samples, would use milk to actually calibrate, to line up the sensor system. He would sometimes use 2%, sometimes grab coffee cream or whatever they had that day, and realized over time that he was seeing differences in fat content. Went from there, I think, talked to some dairy folks, and they said, well, see if you can see somatic cells. And he could. Somatic cells are indicators of disease in dairy cows, and they're one of the most important indicators of health of the cow and milk quality. The higher the level of somatic cells, the more severe the case of disease. Milk that comes from a sick animal tends to be very low quality milk, low fat content, low protein. Farmers are not paid on volume of milk, they're paid based on the amount of fat and protein in the milk. Still today, the most common way of getting information from individual cows is by having a person go to a farm, sample each cow during the milking, and then running those samples in a lab. Farmers receive this information once a month or once every 2 months. With our technology, they're able to receive it each and every time a cow is milked, and within seconds. The core of our technology is machine learning algorithms, deep learning algorithms. This sensor that we have is a new way of detecting particles in fluids. The ROI for farmers is over $1,000 per cow per year.
SomaDetect, it'll help me produce healthier, better quality milk, healthier and happier cows.
Dairy farmers are really our last local farmers. This is the time. We have a mission of helping farmers make the best possible milk.